Today, we are unveiling our latest update. We have removed the drop-down options for bar diameter and bar shape code, and now you can simply type in these values instead of selecting them. This update results in a 50% speed improvement for large drawings when changing reinforcement diameter. Now let's have a look at a side-by-side comparison. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the old version, while the right side displays the new update. This drawing features over 300 unique bars. Clearly, the new version accomplishes tasks faster, especially when it comes to adjusting the diameter. We're observing a 50% increase in updating speed, which significantly enhances the overall experience for the user. Thank you for choosing AddoSOFT. We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.